VidReviewz honest review. Warning. This letter could change your life. 3-click software makes us $500 plus day. Posting automated product reviews. From Amazon, eBay, AliExpress, ClickBank, VidReviewz, W+ and more in less than 60 seconds. Leverage the most trusted, highest converting type of content that smart, lazy and intelligent marketers are using to make 5 figures a month. Limited time commercial license included. Price goes back to monthly recurring soon. Groundbreaking software create review videos in less than 60 seconds, so you can generate unlimited traffic, leads and sales. Leverage the highest converting, most trustworthy and cost-effective type of traffic to make quick and easy commissions. Get 100% free traffic and sales from YouTube and Google without spending a dime on ads. Create hot and genuine reviews for products from Amazon, eBay, AliExpress, Walmart, VidReviewz, W+ and more within just 3 clicks. No need to be on camera, no voice, no complex video editing skills needed. Proven and tested method that's generating tens of thousands of views and commissions even newbies, people with no skills, and no talent. Be up and running in 5 minutes from now and start driving free traffic in 2 minutes. Works even if you have no experience, no tech skills. Unlimited potential, works in any niche, any offer, any language. Scale as big as you want. Low one-time price during launch period. Commercial license allowing you to resell these videos for high profits. Ready for massive traffic and commissions? Start here. Hurry. Price goes up again in. Introducing the world's first AI software that creates highly engaging commission-generating, automated product reviews in 3 clicks. With VidReviewz, you can create review videos that suck in traffic, sales and commissions like crazy in just 3 simple steps in 60 seconds. Step 1. Enter a URL of any product from Amazon, AliExpress or eBay or manually upload your details. Step 2. Let our AI turn it into a highly engaging review video with real reviews, images, music and real human voiceover. Step 3. Upload using our express ranking method. Sit back and watch traffic and commissions start flooding in. It really is as simple as that. This powerful software gives you an unfair advantage over all your competitors by allowing you to quickly and easily create review videos in less than 60 seconds. That suck in traffic from YouTube and Google on autopilot. You don't need any skills, experience or budget to get started with this. All you need is our software and a few minutes of your time to start seeing results. See how easy it is to get started with VidReviewz. Now, you can create 100 seconds of professional, engaging review videos as you like without ever worrying about the complexity of video editing, audio editing, or spending a small fortune on professional videos. More review videos you create equals more traffic equals more sales equals more commissions. It really is that simple. Steal our step-by-step express video ranking strategy. You'll also get our exact step-by-step training and best strategy to rank these videos on page 1 of both YouTube and Google. This is the exact strategy we're using to get tons of traffic and sales without any paid ads. All you need is our software and this training, and you'll be able to get all the traffic and sales you want without ever having to spend a dime on ads. Plus, you don't need any followers or subscribers at all. VidReviewz will do all of the following. Awesome features. 100% cloud-based software. There is no need for you to install anything. Just sign up and you can access our software from anywhere on Earth. As long as there is an internet connection available, you are good to go. Turn any URL into a review video or create from scratch. You can quickly and easily create review videos for any product on Amazon, Walmart, AliExpress or eBay in just a few clicks. Or you can also create your own review videos from scratch if you prefer. Automatically add real and genuine reviews and images or upload your own. Our software will automatically add real and genuine reviews and images to your review videos from Amazon, Walmart, AliExpress or eBay. Or if you prefer, you can also upload your own reviews and images. Legally use other people's videos inside your reviews. You can also legally use other people's videos as part of your review video. This is a great way to add even more value and engage your viewers even more. Gain more trust and authority by using other people's videos in your review. Create review videos for any product, in any niche, any language. There is no limit to what you can do with this powerful software. You can also create review videos for digital products, services, software and pretty much anything you can think of. You're only limited by your imagination. Select from our high-converting and highly engaging templates. We have a wide selection of DeFi templates that you can use to create your review videos quickly and easily. Just pick the template that you like, edit it if required and your video is ready to get real traffic. Trending Product Finder. Not sure what product to review? No problem. Our software includes a trending product finder which will show you the hottest selling products on Amazon, Walmart, AliExpress or eBay so you can always be sure to profit from the latest trends. Fully customize the look and feel with our premium editor. You decide everything from the color scheme to images, videos, text and even voiceovers etc. You can edit almost everything in our cutting-edge video maker to make it perfect for your audience. Customize your branding with intro, outro and logo. Get complete control over your brand by including a custom intro and outro video, or even include your own logo. Add incredible call to actions that get people clicking. You can add powerful call to action to your videos that will get people clicking through to your websites and offers. Social media buttons, arrows, subscribe buttons, smileys, GIFs, lower thirds etc.